This man noticed something moving in the trash by the highway and pulled over immediately. What he found broke his heart. 2 tiny kittens were dumped there, sick, hungry, and terrified. Their eyes were so infected they could barely see, and they were hiding in a pile of garbage just to stay safe. Hundreds of cars drove past them, but this hero was the only one who stopped. He gave them food and rushed them home to treat their infections. He hand-fed them and cleaned their eyes with patience and love. It took time, but they made a full recovery. Now they are safe in a sanctuary full of new friends, living the life they always deserved. If you are glad they were saved, please like and subscribe.